What's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a sample flip challenge. So years ago there used to be a series called Roulette where famous producers would go into a record store blindfolded, pick a random sample and then flip it. So I'm going to be doing just that. I'll be cooking up with my guy JLV and we'll be using Slice by Initial Audio to sample and actually flip the record. So shout out to Initial Audio for sponsoring the video, and yeah, let's get into it. Pick this on. We'll do two. Okay. Richard John Smith and Babyface. I don't actually know these ones.
Really? I know the Babyface one. Yeah.
It could work though, I think.
Yeah.
Cool in the Gang. That's a good one. Perfect, thank you. Alright, so we're back at the Cactus lab. We've got Cool in the Gang, Richard John Smith and Babyface. So we're just gonna play these three records and see if we can find something to chop. Okay, first one's not bad, but we want to see what else we've got. Alright, next we've got Richard John Smith. Maybe something like that.
Yeah.
Alright, that's an option, definitely. Alright, so the sample that we've decided to go for is the one by Richard John Smith called How I Miss You. We started off by just taking about an 8-bar loop, and now I'm going to throw that into Initial Slice. So when you open Slice, you can see they've got a ton of features compared to something like Fruity Slicer. It's really simple too, like you just saw. I just dragged the sample in and now we can chop it a few different ways. I think the standard one is to just chop it on beat, but you can do it by every 2 beats, 3 beats, 4 beats, even transient detector. So if you do it like this, it's just gonna chop it at all of the transient peaks that it finds. So it's like an automatic chop for you. For me, I'm just gonna keep it really simple and go ahead and chop it by beat. And then if I need to fine tune it, I can just zoom into each one. And then for example, if I needed this, I could just drag it over just to make sure I'm capturing that transient. What I really love about this though is all the bonus features that you get. So if I wanted to, I could reverse the whole sample, or I could reverse an individual slice just by clicking on one and then hitting reverse down here. Same thing with the pitch as well. I can adjust the pitch of the individual samples, or I can use the one here and adjust the pitch of the whole sample. So look, already it's linked to my keyboard. I can go ahead and start finding some chops. And then to take it a step further, you could do things like adding a halftime effect. If you're getting any clicks or pops, you can just bring up the attack. I'm going to take halftime back off though. And then if you adjust the gate, you get a bit of a pulsing effect. It trims a little bit off the end. Another sick thing about Slice is you can actually create your own preset packs. So if you look at the left here, all these are different presets and different samples that you can go ahead and chop up. Or you can use your own samples, create your own libraries, and you can even sell those on your websites like you would a drum kit or a normal sample pack. So for example, if I go in the Alchemist one, I've already got something I can work with. Just a quick way to get inspired, but the whole point of this video was to flip the sample that I chose, so I'm going to drag that back in. And luckily it picks up the BPM for me, so that's just going to save me a ton of time too. Alright, so I've got a bit of a chop here. What I'm thinking to do now is just bounce this out and then play with a few different BPMs. with the hats, we could just make a real nice brown. I think something like that.
Yeah, I just got to copy it over.
That's alright for the bounce. Yo, it's like 300 degrees in here or something. He's had to leave for a minute. Maybe like that.
Yeah.
What I like to do with these though is like just mess with the velocity again. You know, it sounds nice sometimes, yeah, if we get a bit of sub bass underneath it, you know, just on like the hits.
Yeah.
It's a bit low, but it's kind of where we need it.
Yeah.
Just gives it that extra like oomph in it.
Play with the drums.
Maybe just some kind of like drum like roll thing at the end. But then I'll get rid of the kick.
Yeah.
That's like clashing with it.
Make it unique.
And then reverse it.
Yeah, of course. Copy that over.
Pop it out a few times. Quick arrangement. We should just take the sample for the intro. Maybe just that. Or maybe we add a filter, you know, just to the intro bit.
Yeah.
Love filter.
I love fillers too.
Oh, like there.
It's there.
It's this one, innit?
Yeah.
Let me just bring that filter off. Alright, let's have a quick listen from the beginning. So we just kept the original sample pitched up for the intro. you liked the video and I hope you were feeling the beat. And if you like the look of Slice by Initial Audio, then make sure you check the link in the description. It's definitely one of my favorite plugins right now for chopping up samples. I've been sleeping on it for a long time. So yeah, shout out to Initial Audio for sponsoring the video. I appreciate you all for watching once again. Much love and I'll see you next time.